So we're back for a short video filmed on a Saturday. It's 2:45 p.m. so I have a bit of the afternoon to go wire up our new UPS, an Eaton UPS. And it's not just any UPS, you know, it's a 9PX 3000 VA that comes with the Netpack. So what exactly is the Netpack? Well, it's simply the network card that is, let's say, directly integrated by Eaton. And this network card allows us, well, to manage the UPS units remotely. It's typically the type of pack we offer our clients when we install a UPS for them in their server rack. To be precise, well, we'll offer them a UPS that includes the Netpack with this network card. We can see everything happening with the UPS. We can even turn its outlets off, turn its outlets on, check power consumption, do a bit of cyber monitoring using the tools from Eaton. And that way, well, have peace of mind about how your UPS units are being used. And then, well, obviously, it lets you manage the batteries too, to see if the batteries are healthy and so on. Now, you can't see the box, so I'm going to show it to you. There we go. To keep it simple, there are different technologies in UPS units. This is kind of like Ferrari level tech, you see, or like a luxury car, not to mention too many brands. Among UPS units, you have some that correct faults for you. This one corrects faults. And then you have some that completely eliminate any possibility of having faults, at least those coming from EDF, or at least from your electricity provider. If it's not EDF, it's another one. So why? Well, simply because it's a double conversion. Actually, that's being done. It completely recreates the current through an induction system. I can't show you a diagram here, but maybe we'll put, well, a little picture in front of me to illustrate for you. Basically, the thing is that the current coming from your electric provider is entirely recreated by this UPS to produce the purest current possible. So there will be no faults in the electrical current you'll use to power the products in your rack, simply because the UPS recreates it and does it obviously very, very well. Now, these two old UPS units were already online double conversion. This one is too. But there you go. It's from a much more recent generation, so much newer electronics, brand new batteries, and then with the famous Netpack that will allow us to manage this UPS. That's why we're going to replace those two other UPS units with this one, plus this one is rack mounted. The other two weren't rack mounted, they were tower style UPS units. It's the same here. You've already seen them during the assembly of this extension rack. So I'll show them to you quickly, especially once they're out of the rack. And now I just have to open this box. I won't lie, this is an operation that should normally be done by two people, right? Because this UPS is still relatively heavy. So doing this all alone is a bit complicated, but it can be done nonetheless. It's not recommended at all. You have to do it with two people. But here we are, it's the weekend. It's easier for me to do this on the weekend, well, because during the week people are working. Plus we have clients who have data hosted with us. So you see, combined, it's very, very complicated to go and shut down an infra while we're doing this. Right now, I'd say I've only shut down the PVE7. I haven't shut down the rest because normally there's no problem with the rest. But, well, you never know. A wrong move, something that doesn't go as planned. And we're not going to crash all of Carpe Diem just to change a UPS, which is why I'm doing it alone. All right, now for the jingle, and then we'll meet back to unbox the UPS. So the legendary Carpe Diem box cutter. First, we're going to, well, remove these little rigid plastic straps. You're going to discover what's inside a box of, well, an Eaton 9PX 3000. Anyway, we're now going to move on to opening the box. To show you a bit, first we find the famous card, which is the network card to go and control and monitor the UPS remotely. So we'll see that later when we integrate it, let's say, into the UPS. So now up big pieces of polystyrene, obviously, because we have to protect the beast. Well, anyway, it's even, let's say, the best UPS you could find today to protect your server racks. When you have servers inside an IT rack, and on top of that, your, for example, in a somewhat industrial environment where you might have load shedding, where you might have neighbors, let's say, who draw a lot of power, or even if you want to have the best electrical protection for your servers, well, straight away, don't hesitate. You get the 9PX there. So here you see the reference. So the 9PX 3000 IRT 2U, because there are 3U and 2U versions. This is the 2U version, and it's a version that's a bit lighter too, let's be honest. But it still weighs quite a bit, you know. I'll put an overlay of how much this UPS weighs. It's not 5 kilograms, you know. We're going to attempt the extraction operation of the UPS without hurting our backs. So a little assembly manual too, let's say, if you want to put it in tower mode, because it can be put in tower mode. So there they provide the feet, you screw them onto the side, and it's in tower mode. Well, for us, it's going to be in rack mode. All right, up. So here it is. We'll do the best we can. So I'm still going to give you a few technical details, whether in terms of capabilities or in terms of connectivity that you see here. You have a whole range of connectivity options. Now, we don't use all of them all the time, obviously, but nevertheless, it can happen depending on our client's needs, well, to use all or part of all this connectivity. So first you have here IEC C19 10 amp outlets. I'll come back later to the difference between the top and the bottom. And here outlets, IEC C19, if I'm not mistaken, 16 amp ones. So obviously this will be for specific uses. For example, if you have PDUs, things like that, they'll plug into the 16 amp ones. And then if it's for servers, if it's for various peripherals in your rack, well, in that case, we'll use the 10 amp outlets. But you've noticed there's a different color between here and there. So we have black ones and gray ones. And the gray ones are separated into two groups. So you have group 1 here and group 2 here. These outlets are controllable or pilotable or remotely manageable. Call it whatever you like. In any case, it allows us to turn on or off equipment that would be connected to these outlets. Meaning that using the software either installed on one of the servers, obviously not powered this way, or on cloud-based software, well, we'll be able to say, okay, you're going to turn off this group, for instance, you'll turn off the group 2 outlets, and that will allow us to stop equipment that might be in a somewhat uncertain state, meaning neither working nor really broken, but, well, in a state where we can't regain control of it. Well, there we'll be able to power it down and then power it back up. If the equipment is properly configured, well, when the power returns, it restarts, and then we can regain control of the equipment. Now, the black outlets above are not controllable. These are outlets that are powered all the time. In any case, when the UPS is in service, is running, well, these outlets are powered all the time, whereas with these, we can have an effect on them. Either we activate them or we deactivate them. You have a dedicated connector here for connecting external batteries. Namely, you can have up to 4 modules like this, which you position above, below, it doesn't matter. But in any case, in a very sturdy server rack, because it obviously weighs a lot, these are external batteries. So they're modules like this one, basically, but they're filled with batteries. So it quickly adds up to a lot of weight. This one isn't just loaded with batteries. On the other hand, when you have a module that's only loaded with batteries, well, we must easily be around 30 kilograms, you see, per module. So these are modules of 2U, I believe, like this one. Well, that quickly adds weight, so you need to have the quality server rack. And you have up to 4 modules like that, which will add up in terms of autonomy. Well, it will depend obviously on what you're drawing, but there you go. You have 4 modules that can be added together, plus the master module, so to speak, which is the UPS, and thus have a truly massive autonomy. We set this up during the period of COVID, you see, when it was hard to go to the premises sometimes because you needed travel permits and so on. And well, we told ourselves this really must not crash. Some of our clients told us, I would like to have an extra module or 2, well, extra in addition to the UPS, to be able to extend, well, the autonomy in case of power issues in the neighborhood, and then no one could get it back up and running quickly. Here, the little cover that we're going to fill in a bit precisely with our network card, these are different terminal blocks. So here, you see it's a relay output. Here, it must be for dry contacts or remote shutdowns of the UPS. That is to say, you can put a kind of button, you see, that will start or stop the UPS. And then here, it must be a bit the opposite. From memory, if you cut it here, well, it stops the UPS. There, so you see, you have a red emergency type push button. You press it, boom, it cuts everything. You have an RS-232 here to control it remotely. You have the battery detection here. So battery detection, it's actually for the UPS. It's the little cable that we're going to put on the external modules, which will allow detecting if the modules are in good working order or not. And then here to finish, you have a small USB port. With the Eaton Intelligent Power software, you'll be able to remotely manage this UPS if you didn't have the proper little network card. Now, when I say remotely, it should be tempered a little bit. You take control of the server, and from the server, you'll be able to, with the software, so Eaton Intelligent Power, well, manage the outputs a bit, the outputs that are there already, and then see a bit the status of the UPS, know its power consumption, and so on. And then, well, there you have a fan. Here you have the power cable. As you can see, it's a big power cable that we'll see in the box. In any case, it's a cable that can handle 16 amps of consumption. To give you some other info too, know that in this range of UPSs, there's a specificity to the 9px, which is that 1 watt equals 1 VA, meaning there's an efficiency rate of 1 to 1. So you really have this efficiency factor, which is just great, where all the consumption, the electronics have been studied to have a perfect, let's say, availability for your applications. Well, all the energy that would be absorbed by this UPS is returned. 1 VA equals 1 watt. It's still a major feature of this 9px range, besides the fact that it's online. Double conversion. You have a bypass that can be placed outside of this UPS, which allows you to bypass the UPS. Then in case, for example, of a problem, you have to change batteries. So you don't necessarily need an external bypass in case of a problem. There's an integrated bypass. So if there's a problem, well, it'll actually switch immediately to a direct power supply. The UPS will bypass the internal electronic system to ensure continuous operation for you. I was talking about the batteries a few moments ago. You can also change the batteries without any interruption to the UPS. But there you go. Just know that if there were a problem, we also have the option of having this external bypass. So with a big button that lets you say, well, I'm switching UPS units, and in a nanosecond, well, your devices that were powered by this UPS before will be powered by another UPS that will be right above or right below it. So those are the main features of this UPS. There are probably many other things that could be said from a more electrical or electronic standpoint. I've given you a good overview here. Keep in mind that this is really the UPS needed by customers who have a slight doubt about the quality of the electricity being supplied to them. And also regarding their environment. There you go. When you're in an industrial environment, I'd say, don't hesitate for a single second. This is really the type of UPS you should go for. All right, I'm going to install the network card now. And then we'll see what's inside. There are the rails, some electrical cables, and then we'll move on to mounting it in our rack. So here's the card we're going to install right there. So for that, nothing could be simpler. We unscrew the 2 screws right here. I'll try to do this without moving the camera too much. You'll see it's normally not too complicated. You just have to manage to aim for the screw hole. So I'm opening the bag that protects this card. We'll try not to put our fingers on it because I have shoes with elastomer soles, as you can see right there, and carpet right here. So it's really not a good combination. We're going to put the card inside. For that, look, there are little slots to let it through. Click there. The little card, and there we go, it's done. So now all that's left is to put the screws back in. And then, well, we simply configure the operation. Now, there'll probably be a firmware update to do because between the time the card was manufactured and the time the product arrived here, well, obviously, there have potentially been new firmwares. But it's done very easily. There's no difficulty in that at all. So there we go. We're here with the card, which has the RJ45 connector to plug in our network cable. This is a cable for connecting auxiliary devices, meaning Eaton accessories. Here we have a small console port that lets us manage the card locally. There are various status lights that show us, the port speed, for example, of the network port right here. It is a gigabit network port. And then you have a small button here used for resetting. For instance, if there is a firmware issue, I was just mentioning firmware updates, to be able to revert to a base firmware. Or depending on actually how long you hold the button down, well, it has different functions. So in this box, we already find a large bag full of cables along with an accessory. Now, if Eaton hears me, they won't be happy, but I don't like this one. There. This accessory here, which is a plastic piece that prevents power cables from being accidentally pulled out when plugged in, well, you see, right here, there. So you plug this in, or rather, you screw it on like this, here. And then it prevents cables from coming loose when nobody wanted them to come out, see? So here, for example, right here, like so, I'll show you, it's easy here since it's out. Actually, it's not this side, it would be more like this side there. So now, well, we have a cable, oops, that needs to clip in like this here. Well, let me tell you, to try and remove the cable from its little cover there, to just pull this one out, it's usually impossible. So you're forced to unscrew, well, this whole part here, to remove it just to take out one cable. So it's probably intentional, with the idea of preventing accidental disconnection. Well, I don't know. There's another system to be invented. See, like this one here, I think this system is very, very good. It's a system that locks the plug in place. So you clip it into the UPS casing, and then you lower it onto the plug and it locks the plug. And so that is a cable retention system that is truly effective. In my opinion, that's what should be done for all the outlets. There. Now, I realize that with all the outlets side by side, it's much less simple. But still, there it is, something to consider perhaps. They provide us with various cables. So here's some 10 amp cables. We'll be able to connect 2 server power supplies. Here is the heavy power cable that will allow us to power the UPS. So it's an IEC C19 for the format you see here. And so it's 16 amps. See, you can see the cable is thicker than the other one. Well, here is the console cable that lets us manage it locally. Here's the other retention system, and finally a USB cable with a Type A connector on one end and a Type B connector on the other. This is so you can manage the UPS directly from a server that would be located in the same rack. There, and then the various small metal pieces here that will let us lock the 16 amp power inlets. 16 amps. We're going to get the last 2 things that are in the box. The first is this part, or these 2 parts, which are feet to mount the UPS in tower format. And then here you have the rail kit, which is provided by Eaton. I don't know if all manufacturers to provide rail kits by default. Well, I think so anyway, because otherwise it would be quite complicated to install this UPS without the rail kit. So the rail kit you have there to show it to you, there it is. So it's a very sturdy rail kit. You see, we're looking at metal that must be at least 1.5 millimeters thick here. So it'll hold up. And then here are the small parts that we'll put on the front of the UPS to fix it to the chassis, let's say, of your rack. So we're back in our server room, well, which isn't just our server room, it's also our workshop room, as some of you might already know. And then, well, for convenience, for safety, I prefer to turn off our 2 servers that are here. So there, you see, we have the typical yellow light of a stopped server at HP. So our PVE7, which is one of the members of our data center, and our PVE8, which is one of our backup systems, we have 3 of them. I prefer to turn them off since these 2 servers are actually protected by the 2 UPSs underneath. It's better that way, so there are zero problems. A little shout out to all those who saw me wiring this rack and who told me, yes, still using rigid cable, right, to ground the doors. It's really not good, right, because it's going to break. Well, you see, it's been nearly a year and a half, 2 years maybe, since you filmed these videos. The rigid cables are still there and haven't broken, right? It even has its brother here, which still hasn't broken, and yet we've opened them a few times. So that was a private joke, right? For those who might have followed our previous videos and then read some comments of that nature. There. So without further ado, if I may say so, we're going to stop the UPSs, which for now you see are in service right here. And then we're going to unplug, the back, go prepare the rails to slide the UPS in as best we can, because with the mess I have behind me, it won't be easy. We'll have to insert it a little bit at an angle, let's say. Come on, for now, we're stopping the UPSs then. There, it's stopped now. And as for the second one, there is no fault detected and there is no load present, at least not too much of a load as far as we can tell. It's stopped too. You might hear a blower system start up from time to time. You know, it's our homemade ventilation system for our MS01 just above. I'll show it to you again, or show it again, which you can see right here. So it's still in service, obviously. We did that about a year ago now, I think. Well, that system detects the temperature inside our rack. And then it introduces fresh air through these two air inlets, where you have two big fans inside this 2U block. There, now you see one of the UPS units and the second UPS unit. So we're going to pull it out, snap if we can, unless there's a cable lock. No, there isn't one. So the power supplies, we're going to change this cable, which will still have the UPS 1 label though, to go and power our UPS. That's IEC C13, and we need IEC C19 for our 16 amps. So we'll have to change this cable and put in the cable provided by Eaton. Here I am back on the right side of the rack. I'm taking out these two UPS units. There we go. Now, these are very good UPS units, you know. It's just a generation, let's say, that's a bit old, but they were already online, double conversion UPS units. So it was already serious gear, but now we have the Rolls-Royce, so it's even better. I like to have a little bit of space between all the components, if only for handling them. It's often more practical. So we're not going to use slot 1, because 1 means that if we ever have to take the UPS out, it'll more or less risk hitting right here. We're going to put it in 2 and 3, since it's a 2U unit. In slot 1, we'll put a small blanking panel, and on 4 and 5, we'll also put a small 2U blanking panel to, let's say, finish off the look of the rack. And that'll give us some leeway to eventually move what's above it without being right on top of the UPS. It's not too bad. Before that, we'll need to clear the cables at the back, because we'll have to screw in that famous rail I showed you earlier, which will obviously hold on to the front post and the back post of the rack. Everything is well cleared out, so now, as a result, we'll be able to move forward and work on space 2 and space 3 right here. That means we can go ahead and fix, well, the issues that are present and make sure everything is properly addressed. Little brackets that fit. These are the front brackets that we'll put on right after. And here we have the rails, rear and front mounting for the rack, which we're going to mount right away. So they're clearly marked right, left. This part here is the part you have at the front. The extension rail, let's say, is made to go to the back and will obviously depend on the length of your rack. Ours has a depth of 1000, so we'll definitely need to stretch it all the way out. And here, well, you're going to have to fix it. Generally, that's how it works with all the rails that are a bit sturdy. In fact, the screws will go directly into here. So you have the post that's on this side, and presto, you screw between the post and the support. There you see you have 3 screws to put in to properly hold the load of the UPS. So that's what we're going to do right here. So we're going to fix this on slot 2, and then we'll do the same thing on the other post on the left. There's nothing very complicated about what I'm showing you here. It's really almost like playing with Legos. And then, well, you have to be meticulous because these are heavy loads. So you have to make sure that it's capable of properly supporting it. So you must fix your rails well beforehand. And then there's the electrical connection part where, again, you need a bit of consistency in what you do. So here we have all the small screws and hardware. With each time you use the screw, and then it's, let's say, matching washer, which is the piece that goes right under the head of the screw, you'll notice that it will ever so slightly widen the head of the screw over time. This is a gradual process, but it does happen as you continue to use them together. All right, so we're going to get all this ready. I'm doing this with only one hand, since the other is holding the camera, which isn't the easiest, as you can see. But we'll get there in the end. We've prepared all the screws. So now all that's left is to install them. So as we said, on space number 2, so this goes behind. And now we screw it in slowly. We're going to do the same with the small rail at the back. Now you'll notice there are only 2. Well, yes, because there's significantly less weight at the back. So in this case, they provide a few extra screws, but that's good. It helps to compensate for any loss. We're finishing screwing onto the rear mount. And we tighten it well so that it doesn't move. So now that we've finished the rail mounting part, we'll move on to the step that won't be the easiest, at least, which is to bring the UPS over here and insert it into the rack, slide it onto its rails, and then, well, we'll have to secure it a bit. Actually, I think I made a small mistake, because you see on the small bracket here, well, I just remembered we'll have to screw the 2 screws between the bracket, the UPS, and the rack upright. Well, it's no big deal. We'll unscrew the 2 screws on both sides and then screw the whole thing back together later. So we'll remove these 2 small screws, position the UPS, put the brackets on each side, and then screw everything back together. All right, here we go. I'm going to get the UPS. Well, there we go. The UPS went in without much difficulty. So regarding what I mentioned, yes, I'll have to remove the small screw that's here because it's going to be screwed on top, and there's even a second hole provided. I'll admit that usually we don't put anything behind it, but well, since they provided me with 2 extra screws, we're going to go all the way. We'll put a cage nut in the upright like this. The second screw can then be screwed directly into the upright itself rather than through the support rail. Are these 2 screws really necessary? Honestly, I doubt it, but we went all the way with it. Now, on the other hand, what's a little strange is that we have the screws, but we don't have the cage nuts. Well, you might say when you have a rack, generally you have a few cage nuts lying around. So I'm going to go get 2 cage nuts compatible with these screws, and then we'll put the cage nuts in now and screw the whole thing together. So here's a small part of our stock, because we still have other bags stored away. But let's see if with these nuts, well, maybe not this one yet, but that one there, seems potentially suitable. And that's not bad. So the little trick is to squeeze them a little bit, because otherwise you'll break your fingers. And well, there are only 2 to put in here, so it's fine. But when you have hundreds of them to put in the racks, your fingers are your tools, so you have to take care of them. It's clearly just above there that it'll need to go. Yes, so this one was really tightened. Maybe a bit too much, it's going to pop out. We'll loosen it because that was really too much. Yeah, it shouldn't come out, but anyway, it's still quite squashed. As a result, here, let's see how it goes without squashing it. And that's not bad at all. There, let's bring back the UPS. We just need to carefully fix the small plates on both sides, making sure everything is secure. So now we fix the left one with the 4 small screws. And then on this side, well, it's the same thing. You have the mounting bracket that's fixed in place. I have only one concern, which is that the spacing of my uprights might be slightly wider than what these 2 small brackets can handle. Normally it should be able to do it, but you see at the bottom of a rack, sometimes we have uprights that are fixed just a little bit further towards the outside. We'll see how it turns out during assembly. So I'll start by removing the 2 screws that were on the top of the rail. There we go, so it's removed. We push all of that inside, and it's perfect, very good rail spacing. I'll show you all of that. We're really, really well positioned here, and we're really very well positioned on this side as well. And then after that, we'll move on to the electrical connection of the UPS, the commissioning, and so on. So for now, we're going to put in our 2 screws. And that's one. And then I'll put the other one on this side, so it'll be well balanced. There and now, just to show you a little trick, when you set the UPS in tower format, well, you have to pull this out a bit. Anyway, we managed to pull this block out, and you'll be able to turn this and put it, you see, whoops, the other way, which means that now your LCD screen, well, will be completely readable without you needing to do any gymnastics with your neck to go and read what's written on it. And then while you're here, well, to show you the battery change, expect something super complicated, I'm sorry. What can I say? At Eaton, we don't know how to keep it simple. I'm joking, and you can see right here, you see, I take the block, I go, click like that, hop, I turn it, and there we go. I have access to the battery pack. So as you've realized, it was really a big joke. It's super simple to change the battery pack on a 9PX. I've done the hardest part for you almost. Well, I'm kidding a bit, but well, first, a little safety tip. Normally don't wear rings like me or gold chains that might hang in the middle of your rack or any other, let's say, device that you could get caught on and so on. So you disconnect the plus, the minus here. You have these 2 screws, you remove the metal cover, and you pull out the battery pack. Afterwards, you do the reverse operation. So I recommend you buy battery packs from Eaton. That way you're certain of their quality, of their manufacturing date. They're not things that were made 1,000 years ago and that are sold to you cheaply on the internet. Here, at least, you're certain that these batteries are recent. With a date, the manufacturing date, the maximum installation date, before an unreasonable discharge, let's say. So there you go. Buy batteries from us or from Eaton, but buy Eaton batteries. We put the metal back, we clip it back, and then, well, that's it. An even more complicated operation, putting the cover back in place. I'm going to rotate the display the right way while I'm at it. Mind you, it could be nice, you know, tilted like that to look at instead of being in front. Why not, after all? What we have left to do now is the electrical part. And then we turn it all back on and we see if everything's okay. Well, I'm not worried. So without difficulty, as you can see, I was able to put the strain relief back on. What you can see perhaps... Wait, let me turn off the smartphone light. It's the little green LED there flashing, which says the UPS is properly powered. Now, it's not in service, mind you, but it is powered. And then, well, right there, you can see that the power supplies... There we go, that's it. The PVE 7 power supplies are on group 1, and the PVE 8 power supplies are on group 2, which means that we could turn off all of group 1 to electrically stop PVE 7, or all of group 2 for PVE 8, and thus have it restart correctly if one day we needed to. There, and then the power supplies, as you can see, they're here, right, for PVE 8, and then the PVE 7 power supplies, which are there. So here we are back on the front panel of the UPS. As you can see, we have the little Eaton screensaver, which is right here. So here it indicates that it's 90% charged, and that here, well, there's simply no load, and that it's therefore off. Well, we're going to turn it on. Now wait, one more little thing. Group 1 off, group 2 off. We could turn on just 1 or just 2 or both, it doesn't matter. Anyway, first we're going to turn on the UPS. 1, 2, 3, click, and it's going to turn on. See the little LED there? And then it's now going to begin its startup process. It's done. So for now, there's not a big load on it, given that both servers are currently shut down. But as you can see, they are now receiving power. We have the little LED there that shows us. So let me show you the different sub-menus we can have here. So there, you see, it started up a bit. Well, started a bit. The servers have started to consume a bit more. We're at 10%, so it's really, really not much. But to show you the menus a bit, I've set it to French to make it easier. We have measurement, for example, load measurement. So there, see? 240, 290 watts. Well, it varies a bit. We have it in amps. And as we can see here, it's what I told you earlier, right? Watts equal VA. So very good efficiency. If we go down, we then have the inputs and outputs. So here we have the input and the output, which is super stable. As you can see here, the input varies a little bit. It doesn't vary much. But on the other hand, the output, well, it's fixed. And that's all the quality of online double conversion. So below that, the efficiency. We have 83% efficiency. Solid. We have the battery, which for now is charged to 90%. But even at 90%, we still have 66 minutes of runtime. So I can tell you we're pretty safe. Especially if we retire the PVE7 and replace it with an MS01, which consumes much less. We'll have even more runtime, so it's really great. And anyway, as soon as it charges up, this runtime will climb. So it's really great. The average power, so they give you averages that are for now over a fairly short period. So the average is probably a little bit skewed. Or at least it will be updated. And then there's the cumulative consumption since startup, so 0 kilowatts for now. Well, yeah, it's just been put into service. So there, we've had a quick look around, which allowed me, well, to wait a bit for the servers to be fully up. But you see, finally, even with the CPUs running, well, maybe some VMs are shut down, so we're not using the CPUs much. But in any case, even with the disk spinning and so on, we're fine, 9 or 10%. We're doing really, really well. So, to wrap up this video, well, I hope, first of all, that it was interesting for you. Well, there was nothing extraordinary, right? It's just the installation of a UPS. But it allowed me along the way to give you a few bits of info, hopefully interesting, on the features of a 9px and more generally on online double conversion. And also to show you a bit of the integration of this type of UPS with a small mistake on my part regarding the little screw that shouldn't have been installed right away. Well, we don't install them every day either, right? I'm not going to tell you stories, but there you go. Anyway, it's not a big deal. It's in place. In the second video we're going to make for you, it will be dedicated to the network part. As you saw, I haven't even plugged in the network cable yet. So it'll be dedicated to the network part, where we'll really show you the management of this UPS, all the info we can see, what alarms we can set, and so on. You'll see, it's going to be pretty cool. And then, and that's it, really. I hope you had a good time with me, that it was able to teach you some things. I'm going to finish up quickly. We're going to restart the servers for real, at least the virtual servers running on it, to see that everything's fine. And then we'll head off quietly for the weekend. All right, thank you. See you very soon. Don't forget to leave a nice little comment too. It'll be nice for those working on the weekend. All right, see you soon. Take care of yourselves.